Does this make sense? How when you say something about one side, you are simultaneously saying something about the other two, even if that's not the focus of the sentence or it's not. Yeah, and this is why you are always describing one unit. Does that make it more understandable what is meant by flesh? Cool. And so, of course, then comes the funny sentence here: strengthen the flesh. What does that mean, right? And I think, can you pinpoint what? Well, there are only 3 words, right? Which words is given trouble here? Strengthen, yeah. Why is that problematic?
Because sometimes, if you look at it like that, sometimes the relationship might be bad, and if you want to strengthen the bad, then
Yeah, that's a good. Yeah. So strengthen might mean just make more of what's already there. Yeah, just solidify what's already there. Yeah,
It can also mean to improve it,
exactly.
but if you don't just improve the flesh, how would that affect either side?
Exactly. And when you say improve, then again, according to which measurement, right? Make it more effective, make it more fun, make it more. What are you talking about?
To me, intuitively, it would make sense if it means to sort of describe and diagnose the relationship, also consequently improve it. But let's say that it's a not too functional relationship,
Mm-hmm.
the description of it and sort of strengthening the idea or the description of the relationship would then allow for a better understanding of each position and then like a new direction perhaps.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's a so this is exactly the issue with the word strengthen, right? It means different things to different people. I think if we look at it and use this as a way of thinking about leadership, well, the first thing you have to do is to decide what do you mean by the word strengthen. Let's say you mean that you want to create a relationship that will ensure the achievement of organizational goals, right? Achieving organizational goals faster, let's say something like that. That would be like getting a bit. Of course, I know what organizational goals and what you mean by faster and so on, but still, we're getting a little bit more there. So I think one way of thinking about it, or you can say you want a relationship that you thrive in. That would also be a way of thinking about it. And those two might not be mutually exclusive, right? If you thrive in the relationship, it might also be the sort of relationship that helps you achieve organizational goals faster. So one exercise that you can do, and I will give it to you as a home assignment because we have a lot of material to get through, is to say, if you're a leader, describe your, like, let's start the exercise here. If you were a leader, what would be your dream followers? How would you describe your dream followers? Throw out some words.
No?
Yeah,
Obedient.
obedience. Cool.
Say autonomous.
Autonomous. Good. Other words?
Independence.
Independent. Yeah. Other words? Yeah.
Collaborative.
Collaborative.
Creative?
Creative. Awesome. So it's fairly easy to generate some words about like your dream scenario. Now the interesting thing, after having done this exercise, when you are describing your dream follower, you are also describing your dream self, right? And the dream's relationship. You're implying something about yourself when you say that. You can't say, I want to have obedient employees, but I never want to give any directions, right? That makes no sense. So it's just an interesting exercise because it tunes you in to start thinking about that you are looking at the whole, the totality of these 3 as the unit of analysis. So So whenever you say something about the leaders, you're saying something about the totality, and it sparks awareness of what are you saying about the totality. What are you implying about yourself? What are you implying about the relationship? Does that make sense? Good. So I hope this solves some of the mysteries in chapter 4. Let's move on. Bum, bum, bum.